Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a very basic makeup look. So for this I'm going to just prep my face using Pond's moisturizer and just lathering on my face. Moving on, I will be using Kiko Milano foundation. This is one of the best foundation I have ever used and it's a full coverage foundation. However, it says it's a full cover, but I found a little bit of spots that are missing. So I'm going to use my Maybelline concealer. It gives a nice dewy finish to it. So I'm going to apply my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. This is one of my favorite, and just going to blend everything in place. I'm gonna use this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder to set everything in place, and I will be using again Kiko highlighter. This is basically a highlighter cum blusher, and I'm just going to apply a thin layer of this blusher onto my eyelid just to give a nice dewy finish. And yeah, it is very pigmented as you can see, and the same highlighter compact I'm going to apply on my face, and I'm going to contour with the same thing. I'm going to use this Sugar Cosmetic Arch Arrival Brow Powder in the Cherry Brown 01. Absolutely love the finishing of this product. It stays for really long. Moving on to fill in my inner corner of my eyes, I'm going to use this Color Blur Eye Glide pencil in golden, and this is very pigmented and which has got both sides black and the golden color. I really like it. And completing this with Mars mascara, one of my favorite beautiful Mars mascara. Lastly, I'm just going to apply this lip color, and it has got argan oil and the primer. And I hope you enjoyed today's video complete makeup look, and all the links will be in the description box. I will see you in my next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye guys.